I recently bought this HP model number 15-BA009DX for $210 at Best Buy. I thought it was a good deal. It has 4 gigabytes of RAM and I want to expand it to 8. I've never done this before, so if I can do it, you can do it. As you can see, I've taken the screws out already. So I've watched one video on this at least. I don't know if they had one for this model number on YouTube, so I'm doing one. You can see where the screws come out. I took this one out first because they said you can take out this DVD drive. So, you know, this is just in there, in that slot. So you take that screw out, slides out. And then there's screws, as you can see, here, here, a couple here, and then under these feet there are screws. I also popped the battery out first. So here's the battery. That just popped right out of there using these. So this bottom piece should pop off or peel off pretty easily. I'm going to do that now. If there's any difficulty, I'll let you know. Okay, so before I go farther, I don't know if I pointed this out well enough, but these are the feet I was talking about, these little rubber things, and there's screws under there. So those are the, that's where I took the screws out on each side, just one screw. So far it's gone well trying to get this off. I tried to start up here, but it didn't work so well, so I took a guitar pick and I kind of started right in here. I slid it around, and right around in here it started to pop out. So yeah, flip your laptop over like this and just work something like a guitar pick or something into that groove. You'll be able to see where it should separate from. There's kind of a crack all the way around. So I'm going to finish doing that now. Okay, so I don't think I'm handling this in a bad way. So I got this off, and how I needed to do it was after I got this front edge on the sides off, the back, kind of where the screen is connected in the battery area, I needed to flip it over and fold that screen down so that this part here could lift off. So now, let's see, I have the new 4 gigabytes. I'm going to add that to the existing 4 gigabytes. So this RAM here should slip into this slot here. I'm going to do that quick. And let me just check on my packaging and I'll be right back. Here we are again. You can see here's the empty slot where I'm going to put this new RAM. I guess I gotta put it the other way. You can tell that's not lined up right. So anyways, flip that over. It should slip in there like so. And according to the manual I've looked at, you can go in at a slight angle, I think. You just want to put it in there gently, and then it's secured by tabs on each side. You can see these tabs move, so those should click into these little notches. Now I'm gonna insert that RAM and do what I just said, because I don't have a tripod to show you as I do it, but that should go just as planned, and then we'll just need to reassemble everything. At first I wasn't able to get it to go in, so I looked at this factory thing, and when I removed the clips, it kind of came out in this sort of orientation. So I'm putting this new RAM memory piece right there and inserting it at an angle. It's at quite an angle, as you can see, a little bit more than I thought. I stuck it in like on the high side of those gold notches. You can't see them now, those brass notches. But that's how it went in. I'm gonna snap it in now. So that was really easy. I could have shown you that on camera. All I did was I took these guys and I just basically just pushed them down, and the clips just fell right in place around them. So these should be in securely, I'm thinking. Looks good to me, although I'm not an expert. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, screw it back on, and see if the laptop fires up. That should be the end of the video, assuming everything went well. Please leave your comments. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you had the same model number, it should have been useful to you. Thank you. And I thought show you the DVD drive, since I didn't show that to you in the beginning. It should just slide back in, because that's the way I took it out. And then the screw goes right in here. Sorry for my poor videographer skills. And that should do it. The nice thing about these screws is they're all the same size, so don't worry about that if you have my same model laptop, the HP 15BA009DX. All of these screws are the same size, so that's really nice. And the battery pops in like so, and then it should lock like that, I think sorry, yep, just slides in there. Slide that tab to make sure it's locked. And once I get these screws in, I'm gonna start up my laptop, and might as well just show you how fast it runs when I get to that point. So here we are, it's booting up. It's been 1 minute and 15 seconds since I pressed the power button. I don't think that's too uncommon. Of course, I don't think the RAM would affect how fast it boots up, just how fast it runs, I think. So maybe I'll open Chrome. And I'll just pause this so you don't have to wait around. I'll let you know if anything takes quite some time. I'm going to open a bunch of tabs and see how quickly this goes. Okay, that didn't take long at all. I've opened up a bunch of tabs. Here's another one. This site took a while the other day. Maybe it'll be quicker this time. See, I've got 7 tabs. That's not a lot, but you know, this was going kind of slow the other day. Now it's opening, I'd say, fairly quickly. So preliminary analysis or judgment of this RAM, I would say the upgrade has done its job so far. I'm not waiting around longer than I want to. I could try LibreOffice Writer. I recently installed that. See how quickly that boots up. And this video is pretty much over. You already saw, how it all went. So if you want, you can just say goodbye now. I'm pretty satisfied, so I'm gonna give it a B for success. All right, thanks for watching.